What's going on YouTube? Larry here, back again with another quick GarageBand iOS tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to do the reverse 808 effect that you hear on Roddy the Box, as well as other instrumentals nowadays. It's a pretty popular effect. Here's what it sounds like. Okay, so let me show you how to achieve this effect. This is a beat I made on my last live stream, by the way. I stream every Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I go live. Okay, so I'm going to delete this reverse 808 and start from scratch. Go to your 808 pattern and you want to duplicate. Oops, let's go back. Click on your 808 pattern and hit duplicate. Alright, so once the track has been duplicated, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the pattern like this. Okay, so on your duplicated 808 track, click merge. And I'm going to click merge again. Alright, so boom. This will convert your MIDI notes into an audio file. Once we have this, we're going to drag this all the way down here. And then let's go ahead and mute this real quick because you don't want two 808s playing at the same time. Okay, so I want a reverse 808 to hit right here before we get to this 808 drop. So what we're gonna do is let's unmute this track, and then what we're gonna do is split this section right here, just like this. And for now, we're just gonna delete the rest of the 808s because we really only need this part right here. I'm gonna drag it over like this. Go to settings and hit reverse. And once we have that, you wanna clip off this little section right here, or you can just drag the audio file and trim it like this. And here's what it sounds like. And that's it. That's how you achieve the reverse 808 effect on GarageBand iOS. Like, subscribe, and share this content if you found this video to be helpful. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.